So let's take a look at the next few questions we had to answer based on the same coordinate plane system that we were working on. We know we need to find the shape that is 2 units away from the y-axis. What does that mean? 2 units away from the y-axis. Now, this is my y-axis right here. If I'm moving away from it, that means I'm not on the y-axis. That means I'm actually 2 units farther from it. So when it's asking us what shape is 2 units away from the x-axis, it's saying that my x coordinate is 2. So I'm going to go over to my x, I'm going to find 2, and I'm going to draw a line all the way up from my x is 2. And I'm going to see. If this is my y-axis, I'm 2 units away. So I moved over 2 units. So my x is 2. And what shape did I find on my x equals 2 line? I found my triangle. My triangle is 2 units away from my y-axis. Let's take a look at our next problem. Our next problem says it has an x-coordinate of 0. That means in our coordinate pairs, my x is 0. I don't really care what my y is, but my x has to be 0. So let's go to our coordinate system. I look at my x-axis and I find x equals 0, or that origin point. I then have to look what shape has an x-coordinate of 0. And I can see at y equals 1 that I have a parallelogram. And that has an x-coordinate of 0 because it did not move away from my origin on the x-axis.